Guys, even though the year is about to come to an end, but the season of PNPs has not yet ended. British Columbia and Manitoba have just released their nominations for the latest draw of PNPs. A lot of candidates have been invited. We are covering all these details in this video today. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice here inside Ontario, Canada. My office is here, and if you want to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and in the description box. Kindly feel free to schedule an appointment with me and I would be more than happy to speak to you. So guys, before we start this video, there's a request that I want to make. Kindly hit the subscribe button and the like button so that whenever we release a new video on Canadian immigration, you are the first one who's given a notification and an alert so that you never miss that update. So guys, let's just get on with this video, and we are discussing the great PNPs for Canada. So PNPs, guys, just a background, is for people who are not able to garner enough points under the express entry and otherwise also. So PNP is basically a separate pathway as well, where people who fall in line with the requirements of a particular province, the province nominates that particular candidate and the candidate gets onto a separate pathway of PR. In otherwise, circumstances like the ones that we are discussing today, the nominations can give 600 points to that candidate. So people who are not able to get enough points under an express entry can apply for a PR, for a PNP, and if they get the successful nomination, they get those 600 points and they can apply for an express entry. Similar is the story that happened with British Columbia and Manitoba on December 29th and the 30th, and today is the 30th. So one of the last few days of the year 2020. So the first province that we're discussing is British Columbia, that invited 58 candidates for PR through their PNP program. Now, this was a part of the tech pilot program that they've been running. The tech pilot draw happened on the 29th, and they invited under the express entry BC category and the skills immigration category. Now, within these, the skilled worker and the international graduate subcategories received these 58 invitations. So essentially, people who've had a valid job offer of at least 12 months in one of the 29 eligible occupations of the tech pilot received these 58 invitations. Now all of these people have been invited to apply for their PNP, and therefore they will be applying for their PR onwards. Now guys, the another province that we are discussing today is the Manitoba PNP. Now on the December 30th, which is actually today, now Manitoba invited 188 candidates in their new PNP draw, which was held. This happened in the skilled worker and the international. This happened for the skilled workers and the international graduates. And in one of the following programs, the programs are the skilled workers in Manitoba, which had 157 people invited. The skilled workers overseas category, which had only 13 people invited, and then the international education stream, which had 18 people invited. So all in all, 188 people were invited in this recent draw of Manitoba PNP. So a big hearty congratulations to all the people who have been either invited by British Columbia or Manitoba. Guys, just to remind you that nowadays the express entry points are going way high, and PNP happens to be one of the most popular ways of achieving this, the dream of coming to Canada as a PR. A lot of PNPs do require job offers, so people who have had valid job offers from any of these provinces stand a very good chance for a PNP. But there are only a few provinces which offer PNP without actually having a job offer. If you need more details, do get in touch with us. Please book a consultation with me. My number is on the screen and in the description box. I would be more than happy to evaluate your profile and share your options of coming to Canada either on a temporary or a permanent residence basis. Guys, once again, happy chatting with you. All the best and see you soon in Canada.